Val is going to build us a nice bedroom door. We've done a few of these before, so we pretty much got it down to a science now. It still takes a little bit of work and preparation, but we have basically just a few steps in the process. First one is getting all of our 2x6 material planed down and ready to go to their finished sizes. And then we dado a nice half-inch by half-inch groove in the inside edges of all of the pieces that we're going to be using. Now we're going to install our DeWalt Dado set. We picked this up at a local big box store, and this will give you everything in this kit you need. And it indicates right here on the front what blade combination you need for a particular size groove, dado. So we're going to get this set up for ours now at a half-inch. We're going to set this up for a half-inch, which I believe we have. And then we're going to line this up centered. We'll do all of our wood one pass. That way, we know we pretty much got it all identical. So we'll do all of them the same way. All right, and there we have our first dado. You can see how that came out. Nice. Done all the way. The next thing we're going to do is put the rabbet on the ends, and all we're going to do here is get this right up to the edge. Since we're going to use a half-inch, and this is already at a half-inch. All we've done there now is made a nice rabbet. So that gives us a tongue that we can put in our wood. So what we've got in essence, our door frame will fit together like so, at the top, the bottom, and in the center. And we'll glue that together with our clamps. Anyway, that's it as far as how we do our dadoing. And now we're going to move on to the next step, which will be basically dry fitting, making our panels, and then getting it all fit properly, glued together, and then finished up. So stay with us. We're going to move on to the next thing right now. What are we doing next? Making it this size?
Yeah.
The same size. All right. That's all we need to do.
I got a pick pencil there.
Nope, I don't. Get
There we go. Let's go big picture. Stay outside it.
Have,
Okay, let's hope they fit.
yeah.
If they don't, they don't. Not making an effort.
Mhm.
They can have gaps. I quit. Nice.
All right. Well, you.
Good.
Well, once you got all the
Oh, there we
pieces
go.
together.
There we go. Alan used the dado. So it'll be going in the slots here, the panels. Panels will be glued together, but it'll go freely in here. So if it expands or contracts, amazing how it's glue yet. I could use two. Okay. Now, put this on the neck. And get some more clamps too. This way so we can walk by without killing ourselves. That right here. Okay. Okay. on bird food, right? Don't want to. The whole thing. Blue. So I will do this. This in. That's not as if I'm not putting enough glue. It's all going on the ground. Let's see if I can do this. Stand. And we are glued up. That's what the edges look like. Once it's dry, I'll sand it. And if it needs a little gap filler, I'll fill it up. The middle has a lot of space to expand and contract. But I'm pretty pleased with this since it's only taken what? This is the second day. And it's made with some wood from our property, which is kind of cool too. It's not the cutest wood, but once this is poly, that's going to add character. Yes, it is. What? We should go. Angel's the good girl. Yes, Angel's the good girl. Yes, you are the good girl. You know you're not supposed to go up. But of course you don't really listen to me. No. It's your ball. Go find your red ball. Where's your red ball? Go get it. Mama's busy right now. Go get the red ball. Only 4 years ago, I'd be building wooden doors, a house. That's just crazy. I'd be retired.
All right, so after an initial test to make sure we got our depth set properly, we have got our hinges to route out, and we'll do a quickie for you here.
Is that paper then?
And the end result of all that hard work. All right. There's our top and bottom.
It's tedious.
Yep.
It's big that. I'm gonna leave it.
Okay. Yep. Damn it. Got to be cut out that right
So the
here.
small end goes on.
Now this is just the direction the door shuts.
Yeah, I know.
So this is shutting this.
No,
Oh,
it's shutting
like-
the other way.
Shutting this way.
That's right.
So, all right. Well, that's all we need right now is to right here. So,
Okay. And this is the top and that's the bottom.
Yep, this is top and bottom. So measured from the top like I did in that one.
Yeah.
And I was, what I was afraid of. And we're gonna need it.
Okay.
All right. I don't need to do that. Got it?
Yeah. Okay. Whew. I'm not seeing something.
So it's got to be flipped over.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's see. Oops.
All right. So.
And we've got a bottom plate
Yep.
there.
That moves freely. Let me put, we'll do it similar to that.
When you put your hand, it shouldn't rub because that's about as much as it gets.
We'll have blind eagle. All right. Move this guy. Yeah.
Anything. I can see the edge of this. Does that matter?
That's what I want. This cut right to that line.
I know. Yeah.
Same gap right down here. So these two pieces where I'm short piece. There it is, right behind me. So just yeah, I was looking at the watch against the top.
Remember to
Yeah. Okay, so all right, that means it goes this way. All right, go ahead and shut the door and line it up.
push on me.
Like that.
Yeah.
All right. All right, let me get one end, this end anchored down here since it's all right. We got that. Now you said I can push against this a little bit. Like, tell me when.
Okay. You can do it there.
All right. Okay, so
They're hinges that are.
Yeah, that's all right. We're good. This we'll just push. All right, so let's see. This is left. All right. So once again, push it. Is that where you want it?
That's where you said.
All right. If that's where it.
Are we having it? We're having it flush to the wall.
All right. So that's good. And then push it hard, and I'll get this back other edge done. All right. Excellent. That. That. All right. That's it. So the last thing to do is to get this hole drilled. Let's see. That's where this will. Ah, perfect. Okay. So we just need to get the drill bit. And this can be a.
That's with you.